everyone, today is day 7. We got a chocolate delight plate. It was chocolate covered strawberries, bonbons, and macaroons. Yeah, that was nice. It was a nice afternoon snack. And that night was called Elegant Night, so you had to get dressed up. Now, for you men who don't want to wear suits or tuxes or ties, it's not required. But you must have on a nice pair of pants, shoes, not flip-flops, not gym shoes, but a nice pair of shoes. And you don't have to wear a tie, which that's what Bruce likes. He doesn't want to wear a tie. And what they serve is lobster and shrimp. And there are pictures of our lobster and our shrimp. So that's what this day's events are about. See you later.